Hey folks, Dan Palumbo here today. How are you? I hope all is well. Today we're going to be talking about the missed approach procedure. More specifically, we're going to be talking about the missed approach flow. This is a blue needle approach. We're going to be doing the RNAV GPS to runway 36 center in Memphis, and it's going to be blue needle the entire time. All long-range navigation, GPS, if you will. When was the last time you had to do a missed approach? How many missed approaches have you done in your entire career? I bet in your entire career that you have only done about a handful or less missed approaches. And why is that? It's because we don't do missed approaches all the time. I'm not talking about when ATC tells you to go around because somebody's on the runway, or you were too high or too fast and you had to do a go around in VFR weather. I'm talking about you shot an approach, you went down to the minimums, to the MDA or to the DA, and you didn't see a runway and you had to go around. Well, you only do those in training. It's rare that you're going to do it in real life. In the instructor handbook, under the section of forgetting and retention, the number one reason people forget is disuse. If you don't use it, you'll lose it. So if you're not doing missed approaches all the time, and you shouldn't be, how are you going to be proficient? Well, this video is going to help you become and stay proficient doing a missed approach in the G4. The maximum landing weight on the G4 is what? 66,000 pounds, right? An ILS brings you down to how far above the ground? 200 feet. And how fast are you going? It's about 140 knots. So you're flying a 66,000 pound airplane 200 feet off the ground at 140 knots. That's not the time to not know what you're doing. You need to be proficient shooting a missed approach, and it's absolutely vital to safety. This video will show you how to do that.
Hey folks, we're going to be doing the RNAV GPS runway 36 center today. Emphasis on the missed approach, the go-around procedure. Right now we're about 500 above minimums.
1,000.
And that 1,000 you hear is the radar altimeter telling us we're 1,000 feet. It's registering 1,000 feet above the ground. And over here, there's our MDA 760 today. So our next call is going to be the 200-foot mark. So 760 plus 2 gives us 960. That'll be our 200-foot call out. Right here. It's 200 to minimums, Captain.
500.
We're 100 to minimums. And there's our minimums now. No runway, missed approach. So hit TOGA. And we're going to select flaps 20. Next thing we're going to look for is positive rate. There's positive rate. Gear will come up. Set our missed approach altitude, about 3,000. We can come back to that. Put the man into LNAV. Fine-tune that missed approach, 3,000 feet. That's fine. And we got ref 135 plus 20, which is 155 or more. The flaps can come up. We'll do manual speed 200 and flight level change. And that's it.